What advice would you give to people like on the other side, how they can help you be a better friend or better partner, better colleague? Like how they should communicate with you to help, like give more information?
Yeah, be really specific. And don't assume I'm going to pick up on clues and nuance and subtlety. So if you're trying to nudge me into a particular behavior, you're much better off to say, Dave, this is what you need to do.
Have I failed in any way today?
No, not yet.
All right. What score would you give me at 1 to 10? Am I a 6, a 7? On
7.5.
Communication, 7.5. Floating point. Nice.